The main mission of U-FUTuRES 2.0 is to strengthen teachers' science content knowledge and to increase their effectiveness as science teachers in such a manner as to become effective in their science classrooms to increase students' science achievement.
I think one of the things that U-FUTuRES does is it has a complete range of training. So for example, there's the pedagogy, there's physics and chemistry, there's earth science, there's a complete range of sciences. And then the other thing is this is a team of people that's actually been around and worked together for quite some time. And so what you learn in one course fits well with what you learn in the other courses.
U-FUTuRES is unique and it's different from all other professional development programs because what we've done, we've embraced all the elements or the features of what research says makes for good professional development. The courses in our program are being taught by scientists and science education professors. And these courses were specifically designed for teachers in the online environment.
Most teachers come to elementary and middle schools without very much science training. If you look at the way our teachers are certified, elementary teachers really don't have to have very many science courses. So a lot of times they're teaching science from what they learned in high school. After 2 years with U-FUTuRES program, I found myself fully equipped to coach and model teaching, able to embrace the inquiry science model. It really helped me build capacity at my school to not only affect science teaching in my classroom, but in all the classrooms at my school.
There are 5 courses in the program. The first course is Inquiry-Based Science Teaching. And in this course, we embrace all the current features about science teaching and learning related to best practices and consistent with our understanding of how children learn science.
This program is so important because it gives teachers an opportunity to do science in ways that I don't think currently is the way it's been done in many science classrooms, because they might not be aware of these, the current reform of what are the best ways that we can reach our students.
In the second course, the teachers are exposed to the science content, the physics and the chemistry, collaboratively developed by the scientists and the science educators and taught by the physics and the chemistry science professors.
The demo that we did today, which is the roller coaster, is one of my favorite energy conservation experiments because there's a straight track and a curved track, and almost always someone who hasn't taken physics will guess that the straight track is the faster track because, you know, a straight line is the fastest way between 2 points. Whereas if you know the physics, you know the lower track has less potential energy and more kinetic energy, and therefore the ball is moving faster.
In the third course, the teachers are exposed to teaching science to all kids, so our classrooms are not homogeneous. So how do we teach science and understand the nuances of working with all kids? How do we help teachers to work with students who are from underrepresented populations in science? In the fourth course, it's an Earth Space Science course taught by an earth scientist from the University of Florida. And then in the fifth course, the teachers take their curriculum and they pretty much unpack the curriculum, understanding all that we've done over the first 4 courses, and they transform their curriculum into inquiry-based instructional activities for their school year.
The U-FUTuRES program is vital to education. It's important that teachers, as we move forward in a global society, that they address the practice that has been somewhat antiquated and make sure they become more familiar with successful tools that understand how students learn through inquiry, through experiential learning, and also how we can continue to develop their intrinsic motivation to become strong critical thinkers and problem solvers.
The benefit for the kids for having teachers do this is really that the teachers now have an ensemble of things they can do, but also they have the knowledge of why everything works.
When teachers are well prepared with the science content knowledge, then our students are going to be fully engaged in the classroom, and the students are going to do well in science. Effective teachers, effective teaching will make for increased student achievement in science.